Namaskar. Let's break down a simple program step by step to find average of three numbers. Step 1. Python num_r float input. Enter. First number. The program begins by asking the user to input a number. The input function is used to read what the user types. The input is expected to be a floating point number, a number with decimal points. The entered value is converted to a floating point number using float. The converted value is stored in the variable num_1. Example, if the user enters 5.7, the program stores this value in num_1. Step 2, Python num_2 float input. Enter second number. This step is essentially the same as the first one, but for the second number. The user is prompted to enter another number. The entered value is converted to a floating point number and stored in the variable num_2. Example, if the user enters 3.2, the program stores this value in num_2. Step 3. Python num_3 as float input. Enter third number. Again, this step is similar to the previous ones but for the third number. The user is prompted to enter a third number. The entered value is converted to a floating point number and stored in the variable num_3. Example, if the user enters 8.9, the program stores this value in num_3. Step 4. Python avg, actu, num_1 plus num_2 plus num_3, 3 end. In this step, the program calculates the average of the three numbers. It adds up the values stored in num_1, num_2, and num_3. Then it divides this sum by 3, since you want the average of three numbers. The result of this calculation is stored in the variable avg. Example, the program calculates the average as 5.7 plus 3.2 plus 8.9, 3, which equals 17.8, 3, resulting in 5.9333. This value is stored in the variable avg. Step 5, Python print, the average of numbers, s, avg. Finally, the program uses the print function to display the result to the user. It prints the message, the average of numbers, followed by the value stored in the avg variable. Example, the program displays the average with the message, the average of numbers, 5.933. So, if you enter 5.7, 3.2, and 8.9 as the three numbers, the program will calculate and display the average as 5.9333. So, in summary, this program takes three numbers from the user, calculates their average, and then displays that average to the user. For full information technology, fit, content be with.
Om Tejas.